I can do with what? Add operation also done. I hope you are understanding about this plus operator and then what? Addition. Did you understand now? Plus operator as well as what? Addition. So, Sonu Sahu, I already told you, my dear student, how to save it. I already said you how to store it. Click on this. Click on this. Once again, I am saying untitled 20. I say Sonu. I gave Sonu. Say rename. So, Sonu is created here. I already told you in the first day only. Okay, student. Now, coming back to this place here, what is the operation done? Addition. Go to A. Go to A. And then print what? A. And then print of what? B, you say. Two different matrices are printed. Go to what? C is equal to A minus B. C is equal to A minus B. And D is equal to, okay, let it be. Print of what? C comma type of C. Subtraction, element wise subtraction is coming. 10 minus 1, 9. 20 minus 2, 18. 10 minus 3, 30 minus 3, 27. 40 minus 4, 36. Understand my point? Next, D is equal to NP dot, come on, subtract student of what? A comma B, and say print of what, students? D comma type of D. Also same. Right, students? Fine. This is about what? Subtract operation and then minus operator. Minus operator, subtract operation. Now I am coming to what? Multiplication. Don't take much time. Easy. Go to the place and then print it. Two matrices operations are coming. Two matrix operations are coming. Now I am going to say, coming to the point back, I am writing now multiplication. C is equal to A star B. A star B means what? It is going to do matrix element wise multiplication is coming. I will explain normal multiplication of matrix. Element wise multiplication I will explain. 10 into 1 is called 10. 20 into 2 is called 40. 30 into 3 is called 90. 40 into 4 is called what? 160. This is our data. Are you able to follow? So this is called our matrix. Element wise matrix it is called. Element wise matrix multiplication we can call. C comma type of C I will say. So see that it is done. Similarly, I will take it. Next, multiply function I will take it. D is equal to what I am saying now, NP dot multiply of A comma B. A comma B I will say. D comma, I will say D comma type of D. See students, I got the same answer. Now, coming to back, this is my matrix students. Carefully follow ma. 10, 20. Next is called 30, 40. And one more matrix is what? This is matrix multiplication. C is equal to what? A star B. According to our mathematics I am taking now. What is the next matrix? 1, 2, 3, 4. What we did so far? Element wise multiplication we got it. What is the general mathematics matrix multiplication? As you are already aware of it, each row multiplied with every column, right or no? So that is called original matrix multiplication. Let us do that. 10 into 1, 10 into 1 plus 10 into 1 plus 20 into 3 plus 20 into 3. Are you following me? Next, same row, other column. 10 into 2 plus, yes, 20 into 4. 20 into 4. Next, 30 into what? 1 plus 40 into 3. Okay, next, 30 into 2 plus 40 into 4. 40 into 4. Done. Now see students, 10 into 1 plus 10 into 1 plus 20 into 3. So it is called what? 70. Okay. 10 into 2 plus 20 into 4. It is called what? 100. Okay. 30 into 1, 40 into 3. Come on. 150. Next 30 into 2, 60. And 40 into 4, 160. 160 and 60. 220. This is an answer for what? Matrix multiplication. To get this result, my dear students, there are two functions are available. One is called matmul, M-A-T-M-U-L. NP dot matmul of A comma B. It is one thing. One more also you can write, students, or you can say NP dot what? Dot I will write it. Of what? A comma B I will write it. A comma B I will write it. So that I can get the answer of same. So both of them will be giving the same answer. This both of them in one version of numpy matmul is there, and very recently dot product is nothing but matrix multiplication product. It is available. So now I am applying. Remember this result I will show you. Now E is equal to, tell me students, NP dot matmul of A comma B. Print of what you know? E comma type of E. See students, 70, 100, 150 and 220. Similarly, I can take it. F is equal to dot of, see students, dot of A comma B. I will say F comma like this I will say. I got the same 70, 100, 150 and 220. The same type of answer is coming. Did you understand, students? So they are very simple. We got it. This is comes under what? Here we got it what? Matmul as well as dot. This is related to multiplication operation. Now I am going to what? Division operation I am going to introduce. Go to the place, all of you. Print once again what? Print A. And the next is what? Print B. See that operations now. Now I will say C is equal to A slash B. Print of what? C comma type of C. So how the answer is coming? 10 by 1 element wise division, students. Are you getting my point? Element wise division I am going to get it. Element wise division. 10 by 1 is nothing but what? 10.0. Because slash will give you what? Float coefficient. 20 by 2 is called what? Same 10.0 only. 30 by 3 will give you same 10.0 only. 40 by 4 will give you 40.0 only. I hope you are understanding this point. Understand, students? You can go for what? D is equal to NP dot what? DIV. We'll check it out. A comma B we will say. And print of what you know? D comma type of D. So type of D. So answer is coming wrong. So division of. Now see that division. So what is this now? NumPy has no attribute. NP dot div. NP dot div has no attribute. NP dot div. So let it be. So already having the documentation with me. Let us see that. What is the function name? Divide. Even I also will forget sometimes. So go to the place and go to this level. Divide. Divide of what? AB. Now you see that print of what? D comma type of D. Type of D. So I'm getting the same answer or not? Yes. Now coming to the point of it, what is the function name here? Divide. Not a div, something like this. Divide you can take. What is the next one? Floor divide. Floor divide I will take it. Print of AB. Print of A. Print of B you say. Print of AB you say. Now I'm taking C is equal to What is this now? A double slash B. Print of what here? C. And type of what? C you can say. And got the answer called what? Only float coefficient is coming. Integer coefficient is coming, right or not? In place of 10 dot 10 dot 10 dot, it will give only integer coefficient. Now you can do the same thing. D is equal to what? NP dot floor divide. Floor underscore what? Divide of A comma B. Print of D comma type of what? D. Type of D you see. Now you will be getting the answer as similar to that. So what we do with the operation, and we have the function name called floor divide. Similarly, last and final, print of A, print of B, will go for what? Modulus operation I will take. Come on fast. A percentage B, A percentage B, print of C comma type of C, type of C, and I got it. You already know that if you take these two elements, 110, 10, remainder is what? 0. Similarly, this 20 and 2 also, 30 and 3 also, 40 and 4 also, same 0, 0 will come. D is equal to what? NP dot what? Mod of A comma B. A comma B. Print of what? D comma type of D. And it is going to give you the same answer like this. Modulus function is done. Okay. Now go to the place. Now you see that function name is power. So take care about this same thing. Take care about the same thing. You execute it. Say now I am taking C is equal to A star star B I am saying. Print of I'm saying here, print of what? C comma type of C. Type of C. So I got the answer. You know already. 10 to the power of 1, 10. 20 to the power of 2, 400. 30 to the power of 3. 30 to the power of 3 means like this. You know, blind rule, 3 is 27 and 3 zeros. Are you following me? 4 to the power of 4. 4 to the power of 4. 4 fours. 256. And how many zeros? That's all. Mathematics వచ్చు కదా పనికొచ్చే mathematics రాదన్నమాట. So I hope you are understanding this. So you know this part. So this is comes under what? Star operator. D is equal to NP, the function name, power of A comma B. A comma B. Print of what you know? D comma type of D. Type of D I am going to say. Same answer is going to come. What this is comes under? Same. Arithmetic operations we can call. Are they easy or difficult? See that on the top of it. And it is very simple for us. When you are facing any of the interviews in Python, especially in the numpy, few questions will be coming from what are the various matrix operations you can perform with numpy. Matrix operations means don't think that all of something different. It is going to be done what? Arithmetic operations. How do you deal with that? All sorts of arithmetic operators are available in the form of functions. You see, all the arithmetic functions can also be performed with what? Arithmetic operators. All these operations are called matrix. So add function you see, same to same, our node style. Variable name is equal to numpy dot add of nd array object 1 comma nd array object 2. This function is used for adding elements of nd array object 1, nd array object 2, and result can be displayed. So first list, second list, convert into nd array, convert into nd array, printing A matrix, printing B matrix, and going to do what? Add. Done. Printing one more list, another list, same operation. We did with what also? Plus. So we used a plus operator instead of which function? Which function? Shoaib Khan, I will tell you, determinant also I will tell you. Determinant also I will tell you. Don't worry about it. Very simple. I can tell you, my dear student, don't worry. So add of this. Are you able to follow? Right. So C is nothing but what? We are getting the same answer like a add function. Coming to what next? subtract also same to same. Subtract of numpy dot subtract of what is this? ND array object 1, ND array object 2. Same to same. Instead of adding, I just wrote what? Subtracting. Example L1, L2, ND array AB, printing A value, printing B value, subtracting the data. NP dot subtract of A comma B and C is printed here. And A minus B also we used instead of function. We can use what operator also? Minus. And printing this data also. What is the next? Multiply. Multiply. What is this multiply function? I said three varieties of multiply functions. One is element wise multiplication, already done. Element wise 1 into 2, 2 into 1 into etc. already done. This is done. Next is what? In place of that you can apply star also. Thereafter that dot function and matmul to perform actual matrix multiplication. Both the syntaxes are given. Both of the answers also shown to you. This functions performs actual multiplication and result can be displayed. And you know, both the matrix operations are done. One is with a dot, one more is with matmul. So Ajit is asking one question. In the beginning days, I told you how to check the version. My dear student, please practice it. I told already in the class. NP dot beginning first question is that only. I said underscore underscore version. Underscore underscore version. So see that is your version. I already told you in the class. Take care, students. Coming to next divide. Divide function. Divide of what? ND array object 1 and ND array object 2. This function is used for performing element wise division and result can be displayed. First two arrays divide. NP dot divide of A comma B array is showing. Next A slash B and result can be displayed. Under floor divide, same to same, floor underscore divide, same operation. You can apply double slash. Modulus operation, function name mod, NP dot mod of ND array object 1, ND array object 2, same to same. Performing element wise modulo division of ND array object 1, ND array object 2, result can be displayed. Mod function, same mod function. We can also apply plus percentage operator. Power function, power of exponentiation, A, NP dot power of AB, same answer. We can use star star operator also. Are you able to get it? Simple. And one small note point I want to say. Take one example. A is equal to NP dot array of, I'm saying 1, 2, 3, 1 comma 2 comma 3. Of course, it is very simple, not a difficult for you. 4 comma 5 comma 6. Okay. NP dot close this bracket. And here also open this function bracket and print of this A, students. Print of this A. You say, this is my matrix. A dot T transpose. A dot T transpose means you know na? Row will become column will become row. So this is done. And if I say A once again, same thing will be there. If you want to modify that, you can say A is equal to A dot T you say and say this A permanently modified. And if you print A, this is only available. Now I want to change once again to the original state. There is another way is also there, students. A is equal to NP dot transpose. What is the function name? Of what? A. That's all. Print of what? A. So again we are getting back. Are you getting my point? Like that we can go for transpose. Transpose is also called what? One of the matrix operation only. Understand, students? Like the determinant is also one concept. Determinant also I will tell you. Nothing to worry about it at this stage. Are you understanding? So next, this is comes under a simplest part of it. Arithmetic operations or matrix operations on numpy module. Now let me introduce statistical operations I want to introduce. That's quite interesting, students. Statistical operations, we can go for it. Statistical operations. Statistical operations I'm going to discuss. What are the statistical operations I'm going to introduce? So let's come into the statistical operations. Coming to the point of it. Hare Krishna. My dear student, whatever the modules I'm discussing with everything, we are discussing with you people also. Okay, now Hare Krishna. I already told you, I'm discussing whatever the modules I'm discussing. Are you discussing magic module? That is a Power BI module, the data engineering module. I'm not going to discuss. Python is used in thousands of fields. The thousands of fields will not be covered in the Python programming itself. Suppose SciPy is there. SciPy is there in where? In ML and DL. If you ask me, sir, will you discuss SciPy here? If you say, I said already now, numpy and what? Pandas only I will discuss in the demo sessions only. Clearly I said in the class. Other than that, I don't discuss anything. I told already in the class. Okay. Please follow that. Don't waste your time on typing it. Right. Please concentrate. Now, you may ask, I will say, I already discussed it. And why unnecessarily time waste? Why should I for that? Why unnecessary that? Because I'm clear about my demo sessions only beginning. Right. Coming to the point of it. As a statistical operations, and you will expect everything. Django also will expect it. Data science also will expect it under Python course. Nobody will discuss this. And I'm discussing more than your original content. So much elaborated content I'm discussing. Okay, now. So try to get those things. Now, under the statistical operations, come on to the point of it. In data science, you will come across these functions very frequently, and you will get these questions in the interview point of view also. First function I will discuss. After discussing, I will write the operation purpose here. First, let me write the operations meaning. A max. Second, A min. And third one, I am saying that mean. Next, I am discussing about what? 4. Median. 5th is called what? Come on. Huh? Mode. Mode is not there in numpy. Now, తెలిసేది మీరు చెప్తారని. Variance. Variance we will discuss. Next, 6th is called what? Standard deviation. These are our functions present in where? Statistical operations. Are you following me? Now, let me talk about what is this A max. Need not write. Listen first. Listen, I'm going to send the notes for you totally. Let us take A max once. Go to the example part. Students, carefully follow me, students. I am taking A is equal to np dot array of I am taking 10 comma something 12 comma some 24. Next I am going to take it some more elements. I am taking 13 comma some 56 comma something like 8. Next I am going to take it some 34 comma some 18 comma I am saying taking something like 56 I am taking, or something like 53 I am taking. This is my given data. So another list bracket. Beginning also one list bracket. Inner list I took it. Directly I took it inner list. Print of what? A. Print of A. Type of A. Done. Are you following me? Yes. Now I want to find maximum element from this matrix. Max. Which max? Array max. Which max? That's why they named as which function? A max. How do you find the minimum from here? A min function I can say. So max and minimum I want to find. How do you find this now? Come on. MV is equal to A dot NP dot A max of A. A max of A. print that. What is this now? Max element is equal to maximum element is equal to xg is equal to what I'm saying? MV. So MV I am writing. So you are getting what is the maximum element in this? 56. Are you able to follow? Yes. Now I am going to say, students, if you carefully observe it, this is the overall matrix biggest element you are getting. Now my requirement is I want to get it column wise maximum element. I want to get it column wise maximum element. I want to get it, and a row wise maximum element also I want to get it. First of all, are you following me? So row column wise maximum element is what? Tell me. Oh, come on. 34, 56, 53. This is called what? Column wise. What is this now? 24, 56, 53. This is the row wise and column wise biggest elements. Are you getting, students? Now, what I am going to take up is to get the column wise maximum element and a row wise maximum element. There is a concept called axis concept. What is the concept name? Axis. Axis concept is available. Look into that. I am going to tell you this axis, and the rows is something like this. From there, if I take it like this now, come on. This is called what? Come on. X-axis. So, y-axis. This is called what? X-axis. So, this is taken as y-axis always considered as what? Columns. X-axis is always considered as what? Rows. Now, how do you represent now? I'm going to say. So, row max is equal to column max. First, column max is equal to NP dot. Come on, students. A max of A comma axis is equal to 0. Y-axis is nothing but what? 0 indication. This is indicated as what? 1 indication. 0 axis is nothing but Y. Columns it is called. X is equal to 1. It is called what? A row. Axis 1 and rows considered. Axis 0 means what? Columns considered. Are you getting my point? So, what is axis is equal to 0? Column wise. Tell me, print off. What is this now? Column max. Column max elements is equal to what? Comma. Tell me, students. COL max. See that data? What is the biggest element in this? 34. What is the next biggest? 56. What is the next biggest? 53. Got it on? Next, similarly, what is the next one? Row max. Row max, I'm going to take it. Row max is equal to what I'm writing. So, I'm writing here. So, say here, row max. Row max, I'm going to write it. What is the row max? 24. In this 24, 56, 53. Understand? So, what is the syntax of max? What is the syntax of max? Come on. Numpy dot A max of ND array will give you what? Maximum element of the entire ND array. Numpy dot, come on, fast. A max of what? ND array, comma, axis is equal to what? 0. Gives you what? Column max. Numpy dot A max of same thing, ND array, comma, come on, axis is equal to what? 1. Will give you what? Row. Same thing. In place of what? Max, you apply what? Min also you apply. In place of A max, you apply what? A min also you apply. In place of this, you apply what? A min also you apply. Now I am applying. Can I? So A, print that A, you write it directly. You take this, all the values at once, I will print it. Take care. All the values at once, I will print it. Now I am writing, what is this now? Min, I will write min here. Next I will write it. Which matrix, which max I will print? Row max, that is called row min, I will print. What is the access here? 0, done. What is the function name I will apply? Min of, I will apply. I say min of, A min of. Now I am writing here, A min of, A min of. You say this one. And print this data, print of course, column max and a maximum element I will take it. This is called which element I am taking? Min element I will take it, student. Min element. Next I am taking here. What is this? Min row elements. Min row elements. Min row na column first. Column. Say this. What is this? Column min. Column min. Next I will take it. Min row. Min row elements. Min row elements. Here also elements. What are these, students? Row min I will take it. Observe it. Start. What is the minimum element among all these things? 8. Now, row minimum, please. 10. Next minimum is 12. Next minimum is 8. Done. Next row minimum is 10, 8, 18. That is called this another part. Easy or difficult? So, coming to the point of it. So, coming to the next level. Are able to follow? So, is asking, one student is asking, Vinay Kumar is asking, how to find a single row and how to find single row and what? Very simple. Very simple. So how do you find out that? So don't take much time of it. How do you do that? First A you take it. How do you take it? A of what? 0. 0. You apply A max of what? NP dot. You need to apply for everything. One answer is required, my dear student. Of what? X. Got it or not? For everything is concerned, some subject knowledge is required. Already applied. Already we applied. What is that now? This is one matrix we are taking. Already indexing, slicing, everything is over. Still, if you get that doubt, it's very simple doubt that are called. Okay, students. Vinay Kumar, take care, mom. Now we'll go for what next? What is the next? Max and min over now. I will go to next one. Mean, median, other kind of elements I will take. Take A is equal to NP dot array of simple. For easy calculation example, I will take it. If you take a big one, it's difficult for you to calculate. So I'll take it 2, 1, 2, 1, next I'm taking 3, 4, I will take it, students. This is my matrix. Say A, print this A. Now I want to find mean. Mean I want to find. Mean is nothing but what? Average. Sum of all the elements by number of numbers. 2 plus 1 plus 3 plus 4. 2 plus 1 plus 3 plus 4. So it is going to be called what? 10 by 4. What is an answer? 2.5. So directly M is equal to NP dot mean of A. So print of mean is equal to comma A. So I can get it what? M, okay. M, okay. 2.5 is an answer or not? Now, this is called what? Entire matrix. You can take big matrix also. This you can take it. Add all of them and by 9 you do it. You take this entire thing, you add all of them and by 9 you write it. And for easy calculation, I am taking this small example. You deal with 4 by 4, 5 by 5, 6 by 6. You start whatever you like it. Next, I'm going to start with column wise mean I want, row wise mean also I want. Row wise and column wise mean I want. How do you apply? Access concept need to apply or not? Come on, apply. Column wise mean you apply first. How do you do that? CM is equal to column mean is equal to NP dot. Come on. Mean of A comma access is equal to 0. Access is equal to 0. Row mean is equal to what? NP dot mean of A comma access is equal to 1. So that you will get the column mean and row mean. Come on, I will say CM is equal to NP dot mean of A comma access is equal to 0. You print it, column mean is equal to comma what? CM you say. What is that now? 2, 3, 5. 5 by 2 is called what? 2.5. And 4 plus 1 is called what? 5 by 2. 2 elements. It's also 2.5. So you just say this 2.5, 2.5 is an answer. Similarly, go for what? Access you change it. RM is equal to, access is equal to 1 you say. And row mean is equal to say RM you say. And see students, 2 plus 1, 3. 3 by 2 is called what? 1.5. 3 plus 4 is 7 by 2 is 3.5. So 1.5, 3.5 is an answer. 1.5, 3.5 is an answer. Are you getting this? Yes. Coming to, this is related to what? Mean related example. You can apply for biggest elements also. You can take this entire big matrix and you can apply. And for easy calculation purpose, I'm just taking it. Able to follow? Yes. So following up, difficult up. Following. Go to the next. Go to the next. A matrix, you take it. Going to the next concept is called what? Variance. I'm going to take it what? Median I will take it. Median. Median I will take it. What is this median is? This is matrix is here. What is the median? Can anybody answer me? No? Removing common element? Removing common element and taking remaining elements is called median. Sum of all elements by 2 is called median. "21 years education is over." Happened. So coming to the point of it. Median is nothing but finding the center element after arranging the elements of given array into what? Ascending order. Look at median. What is my given data? 2, 1, 3, 4. What is this? 1, 2, 3, 4. First done in where? Ascending order. How many elements are there? 4. Center element is what? Center element 2, 3. 2, 3. That 2 plus 3 will be taken. Average will be taken. That is called a 5 by 2, which is known as what? 2.5 is the median of what? Array A. So MD, median is equal to NP dot median of what? A. See that print of what? Median. Median is equal to what? You know, MD. So see the answer now. 2.5 is an answer. Since it is a small matrix, you got it. Let me take a bigger matrix. This I will take it. And one more thing, my dear students, try to understand. Here, how many elements are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, right? In this, how many even number of elements are there or not? Even number of elements are there, students. When you get a even number of elements in ascending order, during the selection of median, middle 2 elements will be taken. So that will be taken plus by 2 you will take. That will be the average, whatever the middle elements are there. That will become what? Median. If odd numbers are coming, no two middle elements will not come. Only one will be coming in the middle. You just see that example now. A, you see, how many elements are coming now? 9. 9 is even or odd? Odd. Come on, put them in sorted order now. Come on. 8. 8, next is called 10, 12, 13, 18, 34. మిమ్మల్ని నమ్ముకుంటే అంతే ఇంకా 24. ఆగండి కొద్దిగా, మిమ్మల్ని నమ్ముకుంటే అంతే ఇంకా. ఆఫ్టర్ 24 నెక్స్ట్ 34, 53, 56. 9 elements. Okay. So this is called 4 elements and this is called 4 elements. What is the center element? So this 18 will become what? Median. This 18 will become what? Median. Median. Simple. There is one state is bifurcated. And what is the center? What will be the capital city? And they will take all the directions and they will see that easy approachable is called middle of the state is called what? Capital, they may declare it. For example, what is the concept behind that? So apply NP dot, directly you print it. Median of what? A. What is the answer? 18.0. Getting up? Fine. Shall I move forward? Next I am going for what? Median. I am going to, one minute. Median I am going to take it. The median of what? Axis also I am going to write it, comma. Axis is equal to what? 0. Axis is equal to 0 means what? This place. Column related kind of median I am going to find. Column related median. Column data also will be sorted. What is this? First one is already sorted or not? What is the median? 13. Next one, 12, 26, 56, 18. What is that? 18. Next, 24, 8, 53. What is that? 24. This is related to what? Column median. Are you okay, students? Next, you come to this place, row. What is this? 12, 13, and this one is 34. Are you following? So is equal to, check it out. In this place 13, in this place 18, in this place 24. Done. Next you go for same thing. You come to this place is equal to 1, you do it. 1, you do it. What is this now? 12. Next is called what? 13. If we sort it, 13 will come in middle. Next is called what? 34. This is called what? Column wise and what? Row wise. Understand this point? This is related to what? Median. Median for entire matrix. Median for what? Column wise and then row wise. Now I am going to talk about one more kind of thing. Variance I will take it. Variance I am going to discuss. Coming to the point of it. These are all coming in your data science modules calculation, students. You will come across all these things in your data science implementations. Okay. Now coming to the point of it, variance. What is the formula for variance? Variance formula. BCom students are there here? BCom students will not be there because if I don't, who is BTech CSC students means that time BCom students will come out. Sigma. Come on, sigma. I minus. So now I will write it. Now I am writing. You don't know, na? Listen. Variance is equal to sigma. I is equal to sigma. I is equal to 1 to n. Xi minus m whole square by number of numbers. మీకు గుర్తుంటది నేను చెప్పిందని మీకు సరిపోదు. అది మీ నాలెడ్జ్ 0. Now you listen me. Now I will write it. Now I will write it. Listen. I'll calculate and I'll show the result. Okay now. Me knowledge, non-knowledge comparison is chala danger. Come to the point of it. In other words, xi minus, once again I am explaining, m whole square by number of numbers. Number of numbers. I will take it. What is this xi is called? You can write even m minus xi also you can write it. Whole square you can write number of numbers. 2 square minus 2 whole square, nothing but 4 only. Correct or not? So nothing to be a problem. Xi minus square, this is a whole square is there. What is this xi? Each element of the matrix is called what? Xi. X1, X2, X3, X4. What is this m is called mean. Whole square you need to do, and you need to do the number of elements. What is the mean of this which we find already? NP dot mean of A. 2.5 we got the answer. Fine students. Now I am going to take it. Variance is equal to, start the subject of xi. What is my xi? 2. 2 minus 2.5 whole square. Okay now? Plus next one 1 minus 2.5 whole square plus xi 3 minus 2.5 whole square plus 4 minus 2.5 whole square whole by I am writing here called what? 4. You see 2 minus 2.5 means what? 0.5 whole square. 0.5 whole square means what? Huh? Em students abba. 0.25. 0.5 into 0.5, 0.25 students. Somebody is saying 2.25. Next, 1 minus 2.5. What is that? Minus 1.5 whole square. What is that answer? 2.25. 2.25. 15 squares means 225. 1.5, 1.5 is 2.25. Any coaching is taken or not? No coaching. Even coaching is taken. After coaching is over, everything is forget. Like that, learning, forgetting, learning, forgetting. Last stop is coming. Now 3 minus 2.5. 0.5 whole square, that is called 0.25. Now 4.4 plus 4 minus 2.5. 1.5. 1.5 means what? 2.25. By what? 4. What is the answer now? 2.25, 2.25 is 4.50. 4.50, this is called 0.50. 4.50 plus 0.50. 5.0. 5.4. 5 by 4. What is the answer now? Calculation rather. 1.25. Right. This is called what? Variance. Standard deviation is equal to square root of what? Variance. 1.25 square root is called what? 1.25 into star what? 0.5. Which will give you the square root or not? Star operator long back. So 1.25 you remember first. NP dot variance is equal to NP dot function name is variance of A. Simply print of what? V. What is an answer? 1.25. Me formula apply chesaranko system will break. Understand this point? You apply for this big matrix also. You apply for this big matrix also. Why I took taken is for easiest calculation purpose. Similarly, column wise variance also. CV is equal to, come on, apply. CV is equal to of what? Comma. Axis is equal to what? 0. Print of what you know? CV. CV. What is this column wise? 2, 3 mean is what? 2 plus 3 mean is what? 2.5 now. 5 by 2. 2.5 minus 2 is what? 0.5 whole square is equal to what? 0.25. 3 means what? 3 minus 2.5 is equal to what? 0.25. 0.25 by what? 2. 0.50 by what? 2. What is that now? 0.25. For this is concerned 0.25. Correct now? 1.4. Come on. 1.4 also what? 5 by 2, 2.5. 1 minus 2.5 is what? 1.5. Same. 1 minus what? 2.5. What is that now? 1.5. 1.5 whole square means what? 2.25 plus 4 minus 2.5. 1.5. 2.25 by 2. 4.50 by 2. It is called 2.25. So what is an answer? This one is an answer. So print this now. 0.25 and then 2.25. You are seeing only result. You are not worrying about the calculation how SAR is doing. Why SAR will take care about? SAR is having much pain than you. But when you go to interview, then you will come to know where is the pain. Coming to the same point. What is the next point? Here what? Rho. Rho variance is equal to axis is equal to what? 1. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 by 2. 1.2. 2 minus 1.5. 0 now. First, asking question 2 is very dangerous. First, 2 minus 1.5 is equal to what? 0.5. That is 2.2. 0.25. 1 minus 1.5. 0.25. 0.25 plus 0.25 is equal to, by 2 is equal to 0.25 only. That is an answer. 3 plus 4, 7. 7 by 2, 3.5. 3 minus 3.5 whole square is called 0.25 only. 4 minus 3.5 is also called what? 0.25. Answer is called 0.25. 0.25. Answer is that. Okay now. So some of the students did not calculate anything. Same now. Yes, sir. Now this is called what? Variance. Normal variance, row wise variance. Now I am going to say S is equal to one small result. RES is equal to 1.25 star 0.5 I will say for testing purpose. So print of RES. Print of what you know? RES. You see that what is an answer? 1.1111. It is a square root of what? 1.25 square root is called this one. Are you following? Now standard deviation is equal to SD is equal to NP dot what? STD of A. No need to do. I am doing manually here. You print what here? Print of what? SD. What is an answer? Same answer or not? Same to same. Coming to next. Standard deviation with what? With the rows and columns. Axis is equal to 0. This is called CSD. Column standard deviation. CSD. Answer is this one. Because already you have done CV. 0.25 whole square means 0.5. 2.25 square root is called what? 1.5. Next go to what? RSD. RSD. Row standard deviation is equal to what? Axis is equal to 1. RSD you see. What is RSD here? You see 0.25, 0.25 row variance. 0.5, 0.5 is an answer. This is called what? Same standard deviation. Go to the statistical operations here. What is the statistical operations? Carefully do. On the object of ND array, the statistical operations are A max, A min, mean, median, variance, standard deviation. Once you understand one thing, other things are dead easy. These operations we can perform on the entire matrix. We can also perform on column wise. What is an axis? 0. And we can perform with row wise. Axis is equal to what? 1. And A max of A max of. This function obtains maximum element of entire matrix. Syntax number 1, syntax number 2, syntax number 3. Syntax number 1, variable name is equal to numpy dot a max of nd array object. Variable name is equal to numpy dot a max of nd array object comma access is equal to obtains maximum element on the basis of columns. Variable name is equal to numpy dot a max of nd array object access is equal to 1 obtains on elements on the basis of rows. Same thing applicable for all sorts of functions. Already done. Column wise statistical operations, row wise statistical operations done. Now coming to this place, here example of any matrix you take it and perform it. NP dot max of a max, column max and then row max, printing that report. Maximum element, column max, row max. Same to same, copied, pasted, obtains the minimum element of the entire matrix. Numpy of it, syntax to access is equal to 0, access is equal to 1, row basis, column basis. Next is called what? L1, convert into ND array, finding the min, access 0, access 1, minimum element, getting all these things. Getting, students? Similarly, I'm going to show you what? Mean. Calculating the mean of the entire matrix. Syntax 1, total mean, axis wise mean, column wise, and then row wise. Whatever the calculation, with the documentation I'm giving. Examples of that mean. Median also, it's one important point you need to consider. This is used for calculating or obtaining median of the entire matrix. What we are doing? Median is nothing but sorting the given data in ascending order and selecting which element? Middle element. If the number of sorted elements are odd, then center or middle element becomes median. If the number of sorted elements are even, then select the center or middle of two elements, add them and find divided by 2 and result becomes median. And next syntax number 1, syntax number 2 with access 0, with access is equal to what? 1. Entire matrix, column wise, and then what? Row wise. So with odd number of elements 3 by 3, with a even number of elements, median of even and odd related examples are coming. Variance you come, same thing I'm giving in the form of it. What I told you that SQRT of SQR, I told you that xi minus m whole square I set by what? N. This will be repeated for how many elements? 1 to n. Sigma represents what? Summation. So I said SQR of, not SQRT, SQR of mean minus xi or xi minus mean in anything is okay. By what? Total number of elements. Xi represents each element of the matrix. So variance of the entire matrix, variance of the columns, variance of the rows. 3 syntaxes and 3 syntax related examples. 1, 2, 3, 3 by 3 matrix. Variance of axis wise, everything is done. And finally, standard deviation. What is the standard deviation formula? Square root of variance. Square root of variance. How do you write mathematically? Already you are aware of it. Variance to the power of 1 by 2, which is nothing but a variance to the power of 0.5. You know how to write in the beginning days only. So variance with axis, variance with row wise and then column wise and total matrix. And next I'm going to take it variance on this. When the variance is coming into picture, mean is calculated, standard deviation is coming and everything is calculated. And with the coding also I did this. I hope you are understanding this. One important point I said, mode is not there in numpy module. I told already in the beginning. Mode is there in the separate module called statistics. One small example I will take up. Go to the place, go to this place. You just take it, the same matrix you take it. This A matrix only you printed, students, once. So here you take it. What is the meaning of mode? Most frequently repeated element is called mode. Most frequently related element is called mode. Or np dot mode you write it. In this way you test it and this way you test it. So see that module numpy has no attribute called mode. Now how do you do that? Import. There is one special module is there called statistics. As yes, some alias name you are giving. You take it, A you take it. A. Of course, there is no repeated element in this case. I'll just write it. A dot mode, yes dot mode of A, I will write it. A, I will write it. Yes dot mode of A. So I hope. So yes dot mode of what happens? So okay. So list of A I will construct it. S dot numpy unhashable type L is equal to list of A. So S dot mode of L. So go to the place. Here you see, students, same to same, and nothing is going to be difficult. And I converted into that. Take these elements once. 1 minute I will do the same thing. L is equal to list of A, print of L once. Okay. I will flatten the list first. L is equal to 1 minute. List of, I'll flatten the list, students, because it is taking 2 dimension now. That's why. A dot shape is equal to 4 comma 1. 4 comma I will say. L is equal to what? List of what? A you say. And print L once. This is my data. Now you apply. S dot what? Mode of L you say. What is coming? 2. First element only will be considered. First element will be considered. Now let us take a big example. L1 is equal to 10, 20, 30, 10, 10, 10, 20, 30, and then 40. Now you write S dot mode of L1 you take it. What is the most frequently related element? Come on. 10 is 10 now. First listen. 10 is the most frequently repeated element. 10 is the most frequently repeated element. How many times 10 came? 4 times. 20 came how many times? 2 times. See, one more time I will take it. One more time also I will take it. 20 also 2 times I will write it. 20 also I am writing 2 times. So 10 is coming how many times? Come on. S dot mode of what? L1. First element only, whatever is there, first element, that only will be considered. Suppose I will take one more time this example. You take 20 one more time. Which is coming more times? 20 is coming more number of times. Now you write, you take it one more time. 20 is written, take 10 also. How many times? 10 and 20 equal number of times applicable or not? But it will be given preference for what? First occurrence element only. But I want to get 10 and 20 also. 10 and 20 also I want. That is, what are all the number of elements are coming? Of course, I want to get both of them. For getting both of them, there is a function called what? Multi-mode. What is the function name? So how many times which operation is coming? So how many elements are equal number of times appearing? That those elements will be coming. What are the elements are coming here? 10, 20. 10, 20 are the elements which are coming regularly here. What is that? 10. Is it same? Is it which one is more number of times? 10, 10, 10, 3 times, 4 times, 4 times. 20 how many times? 1, 2, 3. Okay. multi-mode of that is coming like that. Multi-mode. So L1, need to get it, multi-mode. So here you are supposed to get it. Multi-mode is supposed to come. How many number of elements you search it? 20, 20, 20. And apply, we'll check it out. Multi-mode. Multi-mode of. It equal on? Fine. So how many times? Same. 10, 20 coming now. So 10, 20. Maybe in earlier, what I applied? So, okay, no problem, students. You see. Are you okay now? Now, even multi-mode, if you take it, one you take more, even you apply multi-mode, write one more time 20. Write one more time 20. What is coming now? 20 will come. 20 will come. So you take one more time the same thing. 10 you take it. Of course, that you are understanding that part. So you are going to get this 10, 20 once again. Even 30 is available equal to the 10, 20. 30 also will come into the picture. Amma? For first of all, this is not there in numpy module. First of all, it is not there in numpy module. Mode is not possible, ma'am. And there is no much usage of mode. Much frequently occurring element is called what? Even you can find with a count function also now. So count function also you can find most frequently occurred element. Okay, now this is related to what? Multi-mode related operations. Are you following me? Right. Let me talk about one more small operation here. Coming to this, one special example I am going to give you. Try to follow. Let me take this big matrix, what we are having. This elements I will take it. Take care, one special example here. I am talking about, here I am going to say, print this A. Now I want to sort this matrix. Some of the students are sitting quiet and calm by thinking something else. Try to listen. Try to listen. I'm not going to complete in half an hour. NumPy is over. When NumPy half an hour completed, people are seeing this side and that side. There is a meaning. Here I'm considering detailed every part I'm saying. Still, some of them are sitting like a different mood. We can't do anything else. Come with some interest. And when I'm going for this much thing, you need to interact with me. Just sitting like something, some different student. We can't do anything else. Try to take care. Attend online if such things are there. So I want to sort this data. How do you sort this data? NP dot sort of A. How it is sorting, that is an important here. How it is sorting, you see. First observe it carefully. Observe this row 10, 12, 14, 24. By default, it is sorted or not? Next, this row you observe it 8, 13, 56. It is sorted or not? Next, 18, 34, 53. Sorted or not? So this is called what? Row wise sorting. Understand? Go. You print as it is A, because I am not reflecting to that. Because if I write A is equal to NP dot sort of A, it is reflecting. Now I want to, original data, I got it. Now I want to go for which column wise sorting I need to do it. Shall I? Now axis is equal to 0 means, axis is equal to 1 means, here it is reverse. Ikkada reverse. Here reverse. See. Listen. NP dot sort of A comma axis is equal to what? 1. 1. See that carefully. What is happening? What is coming here? A row wise is taking a row wise. 8, 13 and then 56. Okay. Next, let me come to that. One more thing I will do it what? Axis is equal to 0. it is going to give you what? Yes, 10, 13, and then 14. 10, 12, 18, 56, 8, 24, and then 53. So in one moment, in one example, it is going to become reverse. So here also by default what? What is the default access here by default when I call the sort function? Access is taken as 1. Default access value in the sort function is row. When I am saying access is equal to 0, what is considered here? Columns is taken. So sort function is used for what? Sorting either row wise or column wise. Now I am going to say, I want to arrange them in where? Ascending order, descending order, ascending order and descending order. How do you do this now? How do you do this now? Come on. A dot shape is equal to 9 comma. A dot shape is equal to 9 comma. Is it A printed or not? Now what I will do? NP dot what? Sort of. NP dot sort of what? A. A is equal to I am keeping. First you do that. Done. Is it coming in what order? You modify immediately also. When I write A now, original data is coming as it is. You modify it. How do you do that modification, students? A is equal to NP dot sort of this A. Print this A coming in this way. Right or not? Do what? A dot shape is equal to 3 comma 3. 3 comma 3. Print this A. Is it coming everything in the sorted order or not? So this is called arranging the total elements in ascending order. One more point, I will bring it once again. This part I will get it. Get this matrix once again like this. A, you get it. This is my data. Are you following? I want to get it in descending order. Descending order. Come on. Huh? A dot. A is equal to, you completely forget, I know that. A of colon minus 1. A of colon minus 1. You are completely out of order. Right up. So actually, when 21 years, some 60 years plus when we come, you'll get forgetting problem started. You almost reached to 80 years old. So you are not remembering where you kept your bike keys also. So like that. A colon minus 1, is it coming in where? Nileshwar, memory loss. It's quite, I'm observing in you. Okay. Why? Lack of practicing. A of colon minus 1. What is this now? A dot shape is equal to, A is equal to what? A dot shape is equal to what I'm saying? 3 comma 3 is equal to, I'll say A, you write it, coming in which direction? So once we know our coding, whatever I said, anything they ask, you can do very easily. If you don't touch the book, that is different issue. Once you do that, you will do everything. Are you understanding? Sorting the matrix, sorting the rows, sorting the columns, sorting the total matrix in ascending, sorting the total matrix in descending. Compulsory question. Okay. Clear or not clear? Sorting matrix, sorting rows, sorting columns, sorting matrix in ascending, sorting matrix in descending. These many things you can apply. Okay, now? Fine. Now, this is about what? Arithmetic operations and statistical operations. Okay. Tomorrow class, I'll come back. I'll explain some miscellaneous explanation, determinant, like how to insert the data in ND array, how to delete it, how to update it. Some extra miscellaneous explanation I will give you. Copy versus view, I'll explain that. Okay, now? So don't miss tomorrow class. Important. First, try to practice this